poop is probably not something talked about in most office environments. It's not only discussed in detail with the work that we do, but it's so often celebrated like none other when a kiddo who's been struggling with chronic constipation starts pooping on the regular. And when we say on the regular, we mean it, because not only do chiropractic adjustments do wonders to help relax and regulate a kiddo's nervous system so that they can get over and move past chronic constipation, but it also happens quite often because unfortunately, chronic constipation is a major problem for infants, toddlers, kiddos, teenagers, and honestly, even quite a few adults. Overall, researchers estimate that 1 in 4 children struggle with chronic constipation, and those numbers go way up if we begin talking about autism, anxiety, and ADHD. Autism has about a 70% correlation with chronic constipation. Anxiety, about 40% of those struggling with anxiety will also have chronic constipation. And in ADHD, we see constipation in about 30%. Other massive challenges that parents and patients face with chronic constipation is sorting out what the real root cause is, and therefore what the best solution may be. Unfortunately, they do for most everything. We continue to prescribe medications for chronic constipation, and the specific medication used is Miralax. And unfortunately, it is absolutely loaded with nasty, unwanted side effects. And even when parents want to go the natural route, because when it comes to gut issues, we often think there must be some sort of nutritional issue. Many parents are often told to look into food allergies or intolerances, which absolutely may be involved, but there also may be a deeper rooted issue that is leaving the body and the gut so sensitive, irritated, and constipated and stuck. We are going to dive all the way into the real root cause of chronic constipation in this video in a way that no one else ever does. The vast majority of our patients at Vive have already tried all the diet changes, the probiotics, the magnesium supplements, and so forth, and have seen little change with their child's constipation. That doesn't mean nutrition and these things aren't important and involved, as we have brands that we love to pair with chiropractic care for probiotics and magnesium. It simply means that there is more going on, and we need to do more for them than the diet changes, probiotics, and the supplements. Clinically, we find that the vast majority of chronic constipation is actually neurogenic, meaning there is too much stress and tension stuck on a child's sympathetic nervous system and the muscles of the digestive tract, causing motility to be reduced and chronic constipation to set in. Neurologically, this is referred to as subluxation and dysautonomia, which are two nerdy terms that mean that the nervous system is stuck in fight or flight, protective mode, and it's out of balance. When the nervous system is in this protective and stressed out state, it greatly impacts the gut and the digestive system, mainly by conserving that energy for the skeletal muscles to be able to fight or flight or run, and taking the energy away from the muscles of the digestive tract. This is why we see chronic constipation in so many other conditions as well, including autism, ADHD, sensory challenges, anxiety, and so forth. They all stem from that same neurological imbalance and dysautonomia. The number one way to get a child's body out of that stuck fight or flight pattern is with neurologically focused chiropractic adjustments that we specialize in at Vive. The focus of our adjustment is to stimulate and to activate the parasympathetic nervous system and what's called the vagus nerve, which then in turn stimulates and activates the digestive motility and relaxation. We jokingly call this hitting the poop button in our practice, and quite often for little ones especially, it works immediately, where a diaper is filled or they have to run to the bathroom immediately after their adjustment. This is such a relief for parents to see these changes happen so quickly and so naturally without the need of using those dangerous drugs like Miralax or having to use suppositories. If you're tired of seeing your child struggle with chronic constipation and you've already tried Miralax, magnesium, essential oils, diet changes, detoxes, and so many more things, and you're looking for a natural, drug-free option that gets deeper into the root cause, neurologically focused chiropractic care is perfect for you to add into your child's routine. Here at Vive, we specialize in helping children find lasting relief from digestive issues by focusing on the crucial role of the nervous system in gut health. Take the first step towards your child's better digestive health today, give us a call or click the direct message, and we would love to get you scheduled, get you on our schedule. We would love to connect with you and your family and get you to better poop days. Bye.